Hey there, trainees. It's me, Coach Jim Shortz. You know, with a lot of gymnasiums and fitness centers closed, it's easy to get discouraged about not being able to stay in great shape. I'm here to tell you to not lose hope. There's plenty that we can do as long as we have a creative solution. The year was 1975. There was a bad case of disco fever going around. It was up to me to create the most efficient home exercise program the world had ever seen. So if you're hunkering down at home, keep moving and stay healthy. Remember, chores don't have to be bores. Work your thighs as you sterilize. Stay lean as you quarantine. Pick up dust as you squat thrust. Flex and tidy as you avoid society.